Hello and welcome. I've got here a Sleeps 7 motorhome, and I think if you're trying to put 7 people in a motorhome, you are really asking for problems. Having said that, you may be in a family that has 7 in it. This thing is 7 meters long, and the cost is there. It's over 87,000 euros. It comes with here, which is a curious feature. I don't normally start off in the garage. I want to show it to you. You've got that bit there, which is and this bit here with the bed. The bed here will actually come out, and as you can see, it comes out pretty easily. I mean, I know these mattresses are heavy things to manipulate, but it's relative. That would give a relatively large garage. You can even take that one out here at the back as well, and I suppose this will come out there. Well, it's a bit more difficult, but it will come out. You could even put a sort of a screen up here or something, or you can put the bed to the one side when not in use. Right, looking down here, well, we've got storage up there for 2 people. 2 beds, sorry. And a large table. This will also convert into a bed as well. And we've got a bench over this side, so it does have a lot of room for people to travel around in. This here, steep space there, and let's come to the back. Kitchen at the rear end. Actually, for normally the vehicles in this class, Carthago do it, or Renault if you want to really go down market, from Forster as well. They tend to be cheaper, but they tend to be less well built. This is a relatively well built vehicle, but you know, if you've got 7 people, bear in mind if you've got 100 litre water tank, how quickly that's going to go. But more to the point is what's behind me, and it's this thing here, cassette toilet that is going to need emptying constantly with 7 people in here. So it's really for campsite use only. Good thing here, you've got 2 drainage points, although it's a non-standard size. Also non-standard size in here as well. But you see here, look how much space there is in here. Look how small the space here. Space, and it's got a sensible sliding door as well. Now, I mean, you might have 5 kids, and so therefore I appreciate that you want to go on a van on holiday, and this is the sort of thing that would be suitable for you. So I do appreciate it. Lots of people do ask me, actually, particularly I would say from certain countries, above all India, people ask me about vehicles for large families. So you've got this one here. Another place, Saudi Arabia, where they tend to take, as I understand it, the extended family goes on holiday with everyone. Right, 230 centimeters across. I mean, it looks longer than 7 meters as well. So from that point of view, it looks really much longer. Another thing that I will point out though is the current payload, which is, can I give you the where's the payload? Sorry, I should have prepared this and I didn't. Yeah, there you go. So ready to go. It's over 3 tons, and so I mean, that includes 1 person. So 6 people into 500. Yeah, okay, that's fair enough. That goes all right, no problems there. There are 6 adults, but bear in mind those 6 adults want to carry stuff with them and all the rest of it. So really, that's not a huge amount of payload to play. But then again, it's 3.5 tons. You got to be realistic. The chassis weighs something like 2,400 anyway. So the rest is the motorhome construction. Okay, thanks very much for watching. All the best from me in Germany.